Most serious injury firms don't fall short because of legal ability. They fall short because they never have meaningful visibility into the right incidents early enough to make a difference. If your firm is relying on inbound calls, delayed referrals, or whatever happens to land in your inbox, you're already behind organizations that see serious events sooner and organize their outreach around that early window. Mohr Marketing was built to solve that visibility problem. We operate as a joint advertising and administrative support partner, combining EMS-linked accident intelligence, police report access, and AI-driven behavioral tools into one coordinated intake framework. On the evidence side, we start with events where emergency services responded, a victim was transported to a hospital or emergency facility, and a police report is available. That combination gives your firm a stronger early indicator of injury, documentation, and potential insurance coverage than basic crash fields or generic list providers. Within days of the accident, those EMS-linked and police report-backed events move into our structured intake process. From there, our nonprofit outreach team initiates documented, compliant first contact with the household. This is not random cold calling. It is guided outreach under a joint advertising and administrative support model, focused on families who have just experienced a serious event and often don't yet understand what resources and rights they have. We explain who we are, the role of the nonprofit, and what types of options generally exist for people in their situation. Where appropriate, and always within DPPA, TCPA, and state bar requirements, we can introduce your firm as a clearly identified option they may consider if they want to speak with counsel. At the same time, our AI WebTracker technology is running in the background. WebTracker aligns those EMS-linked, police report-backed events with real-time digital behavior, such as when individuals begin searching for information about their rights, visiting legal-related sites, or engaging with post-accident and injury content online. The goal is simple. Understand when people are actively seeking guidance, so timing and outreach are better aligned with their actual decision-making window. That gives your firm something most competitors never see: a coordinated picture of evidence, timing, and behavior. Instead of learning about a potential matter weeks or months after the crash, you are positioned much closer to the moment when the individual or their family is actively exploring their options and deciding how to move forward. In practice, that means you're not waiting passively for someone to stumble onto your phone number. You're not overloading internal staff with unfocused, low-probability inquiries, and you're not consistently arriving late to situations where other organizations have already had meaningful conversations. You receive structured opportunities tied to EMS-linked events, hospital transport indicators, police reports, and real-time behavioral signals, where interest in information, documentation, and timing are more clearly aligned before anything reaches your attorneys. This is not just another marketing tactic. It is an evidence-first, EMS and police-linked visibility and outreach system, supported by AI WebTracker and nonprofit-driven contact, designed to support disciplined case selection and withstand regulatory scrutiny. If your goal over the next 3 to 5 years is to move from reacting to whatever shows up, to proactively engaging with serious injury events that match your experience and capacity, it's time to explore what an EMS and police report-driven, AI-tracked intake program with Mohr Marketing could look like for your firm.